In a small coastal village in Jamaica, legends whispered of a mysterious object called the golden mat. Crafted centuries ago by an ancient civilization, the mat was said to possess extraordinary magic. When anyone from outside the island stepped onto it, a wave of pure happiness would wash over them. One sunny morning, a curious traveler named Clifton arrived, seeking adventure. As he stepped onto the shimmering gold fabric laid out at the village square, a sudden warmth spread through his chest. His worries melted away, his anxiety of the outside world, even the long daily chores of his life. His smile grew wider, and laughter bubbled from his lips. News of the magic spread quickly. Visitors from distant lands came to experience the mat's gift of joy, and locals found their own emotions lifted whenever someone new arrived. The golden mat became more than just a relic. It was a symbol of hope and unity. Scientists, intrigued by its effects, studied it, but they found no scientific explanation, only the undeniable power of happiness it radiated. Over time, the villagers realized that the true magic wasn't just in the gold fibers, but in the connection it fostered. A reminder that happiness could be sparked simply by sharing warmth, kindness, and a welcoming heart. And so, the golden mat remained a treasured secret of Jamaica, a beacon of joy for all who encountered it.